One of the most important strategies to get on page 1 of Google is to use meta tags in your website. Now, meta tags are not something that you see on your site, they're at the back end. You write certain sentences, certain search phrases in a way that when Google indexes your website, they understand, Google or other search engines understand what your landing page is all about. You must add meta tags to every single page of your website, on the service pages, on your blog posts, even pages like that mention our team or contact us or about us. The meta tags will help you tell search engines what every single page is all about. It will also help your visitors, your potential prospects on Google, to see before they click on the link and come to your site, they'll be able to see or what the page is about, what service you offer, and so forth. For example, let's say if we go to Google and search for mold removal. So what you see here on Google itself, or if it's Yahoo and Bing, it's the same thing. What you see here is coming mostly through the meta tags of the website. With meta tags, you can add a title and a description tag, and we'll get into that. But what that does is it shows your prospects what the page is all about, what the site is all about, what kind of service are you offering. You may be able to add a special, you may be able to add free estimate, free inspection, and so forth for people to be able to see your meta tag or your offer better than your competitors.